BTS's vocal line recently collaborated with producer Benny Blanco and Snoop Dogg on Bad Decisions. ARMY loved everything about the collaboration, from the entertaining music video to the upbeat song. The collaboration was undoubtedly meaningful for Benny Blanco, who even got a face tattoo of the QR code for the song. In his Instagram post showing the tattoo and talking about the collaboration, he explained why he became obsessed with BTS after watching Blood, Sweat and Tears. Bad Decisions helped to make Benny Blanco's 6-year-old self's dreams come true. And Snoop Dogg has also opened up about how excited he was to work with BTS. In a recent behind-the-scenes video of BTS's vocal line recording Bad Decisions, fans get to see just how excited BTS was about the iconic collaboration. For Jungkook, getting the opportunity to work with Snoop Dogg was meaningful, since he has been a long-time fan. Collaborating with Snoop Dogg never seemed possible to Jungkook until he saw Snoop Dogg's collaboration with Psy. And now, with Bad Decisions, Jungkook got to have a collaboration that, as a trainee, he could have only dreamed of. He was also incredibly excited about the collaboration, having admired Benny Blanco's work for a long time. So recording the song was fun for him, especially considering he knew how much ARMY would enjoy it. He explains that one of his favorite songs was Justin Bieber's Lonely, which is one of the reasons he started to really like Benny Blanco's work. BTS's excitement for the collaboration was definitely evident in how hard they worked to create the incredible track. You can read more here. You can listen to Bad Decisions here.